Hi, my name is Ryan Francis T. Alga, PSIT Egon. Case Study 1. Where did the first Catholic Mass take place in the Philippines? The Catholic Mass in the Philippines was on March 31, 1521. Father Pedro Bendigama, Holy First Mass marked in the birth Roman Catholicism in the Philippines. The place was located in the southern Leyte, a popularity known as birthplace on search in the Philippines. In 1872, a momentum of commemorate in the site of first mass on the Philippines was erected to Batuan. In 1953, the people Batuan asked People Historical Community rehabilitate a monumentum in the place marker in the site. On the basis that objection of momentum that they create but marble substating in the site, the first mass was removed. Identify Masao in the Batuan as located of the first mass, the basis claimed in the diary of Antonio Pigapetta, a Magellan voyage. In March 30, 1521, Pigapetta in compassion in spite provision even fasting, drinking, and a native king and his son Pigapetta was fact that at throat it's a Good Friday they had eat meat earlier in the morning of Sunday. And the last March and Easter day, Magellan sent Princess assert that some men are prepared of the mass. Later in the morning, Magellan was landed of the San Philippine Main and mass celebrate, after which cross prerated. April 1, 1521, Magellan sent men ashore to the help in the harvest but not work was done the day because the two kings was sleeping of the drinking about the night before. They work in harvest during next 2 days in April 4, 1521. They leave Masuan bound to the Cebu. Case Study 2. What happened in the Cavite Community? In the year 1872, authorities received anonymous communication with the information with a great uprising would break out against the Spaniards. The milk of the field in the Cavite left in the south that all would assassinate Camparisi had been going on since the La Norte with utmost security and times she principal leaders meet either in the house of Filipino Spaniards. In that time, the native create a bacoor in the soul of the movement whose generated character the eminence felt enabled with exercise a strong influence. In the Spaniards' account, the event of 1872 prenated and was part of the big conspiracy among educated leaders, mentioned lawyers and residents of the Manila and Nakabili. They planned liquid high-ranking Spanish officers, then kill Pierce the signal and identify among the confederation of the Manila and Cavite was Racket Par and Intramuros. In January 20, 1872, the district Sampaloc celebrate the Feast of Virgin of Loto. On January 20, 1872, the district of Sampaloc celebrate the Feast of the Virgin Loreto and came with some fireworks display. The Cabateños allergy in mistook this signal commenced with the attack. The 200 men contingent that Sergeant Lamadrid attacked the Spanish officer the site. Case Study 2. What happened in the Cavite Mutiny? The Cavite Mutiny 1878 wrote of uprising of Filipino military personnel of San Felipe. The Spanish arsenal in the Cavite Sergio executed Philippines on January 20, 1872. Around 200 soldiers rose up believed would be elevate the national uprising. Community was unsuccessful and government vanity pacificants and began crackdown of national movement. During uprising, 200 Filipino troops entered the capital arsenal, which became excused the Spanish repression of Philippine national movement. The hours of reaction, Spanish authorities served humanity and provided national cause. His collective name in Maria Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora was mastermind of the Cavite Mutiny. These three Filipinos who executed in February 17, 1872 at Baguan, Manila by Spanish colonial authorities charge of subversion arising from 1872 Cavite Mutiny and execution left an effect of many people, or who said the nation would decide the noble of the memory. Marian Gomez was born August 2, 1799 at Santa Cruz, Manila by Marina and Francisco Gomez, was designated as head president in the Cavite 1824 and was member of Cambursa. Later on the executed during Cavite Mutiny in 1872. Jose Apolio Burgos was Filipino, circular community by Spanish colonial in Philippines in 19th centuries. He was born on February 9, 1837 by Francia and Don Jose Burgos. He began Ilocos Sur. He was executed during Cavite Mutiny. Jacinto Zamora, born on August 14, 1835 in Manila. He was placed in a mock trial in Manila along with two. The German was Roman Catholic priest. The documentation of Spanish historian Jose Montero was how event attempt overthrowing the Spanish government. The Philippines approach regarding Historia Isakal community was pool-based rapid scholar. The two Spaniards. The event of 1872 was planned earlier and was thought to begin conspiracy among educated leaders, obligators, the native lawyers, residents of the Manila and Cavite native. Post compression of the Manila Cavite plan and high-ranking Spanish officer be followed by massacre of the Queen. The signal among Operation of Manila and Cavite was firing rockets of the wall in Tramo. 1872, authorities received anonymous communication with the information that create uprising would break out against Spaniards. The beneath of it, Cavite left south and all would assassinated, including the priest. But nobody important to this notice. Case Study 3. Tigris attack. Some people said Rizal attacked because he had reason and had protected something which is people. There are people who don't believe Rizal attacked. Right when this Rizal was said because when Rizal attacked in the writing They said it was like retract the facts about what happened in the past, and why would Rizal to take back everything he wanted because his suffering would be wasted. And if Rizal retract his right, he also retract that time he first returned to Pets, to government and own country. Neither there, there are some evidence to prove Rizal that evaporation is not true. Say Dr. Pascal that handwriting, the refraction does not match the handwriting. Some say the real content retraction is different. The real content of relaxation is document received by Pedro Garcia in 1935, where it is not stated in the document that Rizal retracted everything was false, but is writing that in action they are contrary into status as child of Catholic Church. However, in our hero, whether than retracted in the it or not, people should not investigate about it. If he do not eat and document are fake, the person who have fake document should be accountable because he needed to decide the entire country and would keep quiet because recreation he would with respect of national identify as hero revolution for writing and center and ending of the Filipino minds of contribution creating the Philippine nation. The create of Bolyong Rizal light work has committed to this end. Particular the more influenced ones like Noli Me Tangere and Elaboratrismo. His essay that not Catholic religion but fears not main agent injustice in the Filipino society. Therefore, any piece written by many opinion and evidence was presented by various people, whether Rizal or did not retract before his death. Sometimes it used to contradict the flow of itself. Rizal did not retract this word, but people are using their own sake. One of witness has documents stating that before his death, Rizal told his sister look inside the shoes because he left a letter. According to Fernandez, one of the two witnesses, the letter of Paul, the initial description of because Rizal knew was Miss Lady, a Filipino, and he wanted to set records straight. And retraction and then is true. Then why those document retraction itself it to be secret? The copies of mentioned in the newspaper, but nobody was so original. Another thinks that when family Rizal asked the original copy, they said it was lost. They are even mostly held na Catholic for the soul. It's true Rizal extracted them would be not have executed. He is man with the own words because he is matured through years because is of experience. No matter agreement, he was still rebellion. Agreement did not detract of greatness as a Filipino. He loved his own country and he did not much of beloved country. To publish works of own objective established of cooperation, let citizens to come together an own nation, etc. He lives burning passion and cold help, especially the youth. He sacrificed his life for the sake of some people Rizal awake the knowledge of nationalism. This issue will not validate his work because he has Case study 4. Where did the cry of rebellion happen? On August 23, 1896, of Pugad Lawin in Balintawak, now part of Quezon City. The Cafeteros, led by Andres Bonifacio, told their saludas as the expression of their open defiance against Spanish rule in the country. This event, called Cry of Pugad Lawin, officially marked the beginning of Philippine Revolution against Spain. Originally, the term of cry, the first clash between cafeteros and civil guard, the cry could also refer tearing of community tax certificates and defiance of civil of Spain. This is the compassion of South, founded by Bonifacio, Ladislao Diwa, Deodato Alero, and another on July 7, 1892. Sheikh Kapitipunan was initially a secret society aiming independence from Spain through army revolt. Bonifacio was forced to bring fight to prevent upon discovery of the secret organization. He used manifesto encouraging people to take arms against Spanish to all town. The rebel eventually grew strength was spread of 8 provinces: Manila, Bulacan, Cavite, Pampanga, Tarlac, Laguna, Batangas, and Nueva Ecija, which were later transplanted by 8 rays of the sun of Filipino blood. After death of Bonifacio on May 10, 1897, in Maragondona City, Cavite, General Emilio Aguinaldo continued the revolution of declared Philippine independence from Spain on June 12, 1898 at Cavite, Cavite. Filipino historian offers limited accounts of date of places Cry of Pugad Lawin. From 1908 until 1963, this event was officially recognized to have occurred on August 26, 1896 in Balintawak. In 1963, in Philippine government declared the ship of read that the city of Balintawak was soon changed into Cry of Pugad Lawin. But there is not about a courage of the Bonifacio and Capitaneros, which significance of their act. The term of Cidulas was expression defiance against Spanish rule, reflecting and things up to date in armed Capeteros with much symbolic attack Mandaluyong, Pandugan, and Pasig that promoted Spaniard declared state of war 8 provinces: Manila, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Bulacan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, and Pampanga. One of hundreds 23 years after this historic event, the cry of Filipino revolutionaries, regardless of the confusion dates, was Banyo show continues as part of modern Filipino. The place claimed the site of cry of Philippine Revolution. In 1886, the, the areas of Caloocan province of Manila, and important to identify where the Triangle Revolution. These events are important marker in history of Quiteños would struggle after Independence Day. Third,